Welcome to Weje, a multifunctional service designed to collect, store, and structure information. In this video, we'll look at the Fishbone Diagram template. After logging in, you enter your workspace. Here, you can create your own whiteboard or choose one of the suggested templates. To create a board based on the Fishbone Diagram, aka Ishikawa diagram template, select the appropriate template in the template bar, name your board, and click Create. This template consists of fish heads and bones. It's a standard fishbone diagram representation. The head is represented by a large triangle where the main goal or problem is written. The skeleton of the diagram consists of oval forms connected with the fish head. The goal-achieving or problem-solving stages are written in oval shapes. Write the main target into a large triangular form by double-clicking on it with a left mouse button. Depending on the goal or problem, you may highlight the form in the appropriate color. Use oval shapes for adding problem-solving or goal achievement steps. Hover your mouse over the star symbol in the toolbar and select the desired shape. Drag a newly created shape to the proper place on the chart and write down the required action. Also, to emphasize a certain step, it can be highlighted with color. After creating and filling out an additional oval, connect it to the general framework with the help of links. You can also assign colors to the links and leave comments there. You can check out the completed version of the template by following the link in the example card. Invite your colleagues or other Weje users to a board with a completed template via the board properties. To invite another user to the board, you need to specify their email address in the Collaborators field. The user must be registered in the service to receive an invitation. Select the user property and click Invite. You can also provide access to the board via a link. To do this, click on the Public button and select the property for the invited user. Copy and send the link. In this case, even a non-registered user will be able to access the board using this link. The completed board can be copied entirely. Click on the Create Copy button in the board property. The copied board will appear in the general list of boards. This can be very useful if you use this template frequently. Weje allows you to create a fishbone diagram either from scratch or by using a suggested template. You can invite your colleagues or friends to the ready-made boards to manage them together.